Pawpaw requires specific care to grow healthy. As a farmer, it's essential to understand the art of applying fertilizers to pawpaw plantations. Proper application of fertilizers ensures that the plants receive a balanced nutrient supply, which leads to healthy growth and improved productivity. This YouTube provides insights on how to apply fertilizers correctly and achieve optimal benefits from your pawpaw plants. Understanding the nutrient needs of pawpaw plants. Like any other fruit tree, pawpaw plants have specific nutrient requirements for optimal growth. During the growth period, these plants need more nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash. The best approach is to start fertilizing the pawpaw trees when they are 2 years old. Generally, young trees require 1 to 2 pounds of nitrogen per year, while mature trees require 2 to 3 pounds of nitrogen per year. You can customize the fertilizer dosage based on your soil type and the nutrient status of your soil. Choosing the right fertilizers. Most farmers use either organic or inorganic fertilizers when growing pawpaw trees. Organic fertilizers are derived from plant and animal sources, and they tend to have a gentle effect on the soil. Inorganic fertilizers, on the other hand, are chemically synthesized and deliver nutrients quickly. When it comes to pawpaw trees, it's advisable to use organic fertilizers because they promote long-term soil health and create a conducive habitat for microorganisms. Examples of organic fertilizers include compost, manure, and fish emulsion. Fertilizer application techniques. It's worth noting that pawpaw trees have shallow roots, so it's essential to apply fertilizers around the tree's drip line. Applying fertilizers near the trunk can burn the roots, which can derail growth. You can use either top dressing or water-soluble fertilizers to fertilize your pawpaw trees. Top dressing involves adding fertilizers on top of the soil, while water-soluble fertilizers are mixed with water and applied directly to the roots. Monitoring fertilizer effectiveness. As a farmer, it's essential to monitor the effectiveness of your fertilizer application technique. You can assess the impact of your fertilizers by looking at the plant growth rate, foliage development, and the number of fruits produced. Healthy pawpaw plants should have vibrant foliage and produce fruit according to their maturity stage. Making adjustments to fertilizer application. If you notice stunted growth or yellowing leaves, it could be an indication of either too much or too little fertilizer. It's essential to make adjustments to your application technique to avoid wasting your fertilizers and damaging the plants. You can adjust by reducing the dosage or changing the type of fertilizers you use. Fertilizer application in pawpaw plantations is a critical aspect of tree care that, if done right, can lead to increased productivity and healthy growth. As a farmer, it's essential to understand the nutrient requirements of your pawpaw trees, choose suitable fertilizers, apply fertilizers correctly, monitor fertilizer effectiveness, and adjust when necessary. With these insights, you can develop a thriving pawpaw plantation and enjoy healthy fruits year after year.